Hi guys, let me quickly share the way I tied my scarf out today. I know you want to see how I slay it out. So this is the scarf I'm using and I'll first divide it into two equal parts. That is the first thing to do and that is what I'm doing right now. I'll first share it into two equal parts, fold it up like that. And once that is being done, I'm going to place it on my head, guys. Just follow these steps in case you love this style and you want to try it. Just follow the steps. So you see how little this side is, can you see? And the other part is very long. So I'm going to take it to the back like that. I'm going to cross it. Okay, so this is the shorter part here and the longer part. So take note, if you have your hair, just pack it like you pack your braid at the back. If you don't have your hair done, just put a cap like I did and put some, probably bond to make it look bulkier. So you see, after I crossed, I dipped the tip of that material at the back of my hair for both sides. You see, I just gather all the longer parts neatly and I place it around like that. So when I place it round, I'm going to make sure it is well laid and well aligned. So the excess I have at the back are the ones I'm going to be working with after I'm done aligning the front. So this is the excess at the back. I'll just take it round the braid I have at the back. Okay, so when I take it round, I'm going to secure the excess somewhere, and I have the shorter part, which is the smaller part. Okay, I'm going to get it rolled as well and take it round the braids and secure. Finally, I'll come back to the front and use my hand to flatten up the shape at the front. Look at it very well and find where I need to adjust. So this is it, guys. Very simple and you're going to look so so guys, here is a final look of this my scarf today, and this is how I'm rocking it out. So if you love it, just follow the steps and try it. It's gonna look good on you. And lastly, the back looks like this and like this, and we are done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you. Bye.